So in Texas, if you have a contested divorce, if you haven't already agreed on everything up front, you're going to go to a mediation. Mediation is required in all cases. You're never going to see the inside of a courtroom until you've tried to settle your case, unless they've already agreed on things, and generally they don't have any kids. Kids issues generally require a mediated settlement agreement just because the judge is going to want to see certain things in your divorce decree that you may not understand need to happen a certain way. And if you have a out of the box agreement with regard to your kids, you want to make sure that you have documented that in a mediated settlement agreement. So some of the typical things that are included in your mediated settlement agreement, if you have kids, you're going to have provisions that talk about who's going to have primary custody, where the kid's going to live, what kind of visitation schedule are we going to have. You're also going to have a geographic restriction. So we want to make sure that both parents get to see their kids. So if the kids are living with you, you can't pick up and move to Alaska and prevent their other parent from seeing them or make it a lot more difficult. So the courts are going to want to see a geographic restriction that says, I've got to live in a certain area. Typically, that's going to be the county in which you live in and maybe the surrounding counties. It can be more custom than that, but typically you're going to see county that you live in, surrounding counties. That's going to make sure that both parents get reasonable access to the children.